Today on Southern Accent Foods, I'll show you this easy recipe for oven roasted potatoes. It's simple enough for beginners and should be making regular appearances for your family meals and holiday tables. Stick around for a pro tip about using salt in this recipe. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 220 Celsius. Start with 2.5 pounds of taters. I'm a big convert to these Yukon Golds. They're a good middle ground between russets and red potatoes, but either one of those would work in this recipe as well. Wash and dry them well first, then cut them into as evenly sized pieces as possible. Get the potatoes into a bowl and mix with 2 to 3 tablespoons of canola oil and as much black pepper as you like. No salt yet, very important. Don't go using any fancy olive oil for this either. If I catch you using olive oil here, you're going to have to do your chores for the week and your sister's chores. JK, use olive oil if you want, but it'll definitely change the flavor. You could add any fresh herbs you like here as well, but unfortunately, I didn't have the time. Oh, geez. Spread everything out onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and distribute evenly. Get them into the center of your oven for about 20 minutes. Take them out and give them all a quick stir to let the other sides go brown and crispy. Cook for about 10 to 15 more minutes or until they're done. Here's the secret. This is when you want to add the salt, immediately when they come out of the oven. If you put the salt on beforehand, it'll draw out the moisture from the potatoes and they'll steam rather than go nice and crispy. Restaurant tip, that's how they do French fries. That's all there is to this recipe. If you can turn on an oven, you can make these crispy and delicious roasted potatoes. And come on, who doesn't like potatoes? Ketchup is optionally mandatory. If you're enjoying my videos and learning more about cooking, click that like button. Visit my website, southernaccentfoods.com, download and print my recipes, and sign up for a weekly recipe email. If you want another easy side dish recipe, click on this video right here.